Hi, this is Wendy again, and I'm going to continue my science experiment on preserving food. These are my variables. My independent variables are the hefty storage bags, the storage container, and the packaging itself. My control is the raspberry. Here are here are my materials: the hefty storage bag, the storage container, the packaging itself, and raspberries. First, I washed the raspberries and put 6 of them in each storage item. Then I put all 3 in the fridge. The temperature of the fridge was 40 degrees. Each day at 9 p.m., I took a picture of the raspberries in each of its storage items. After day 1 and 2, they looked the same. I started noticing after day 3 the changes in color. On day 3, I also noticed that the raspberries in its own packaging were starting to dry out. Therefore, to me, they went bad. On the same day, the raspberries in the storage container were changing color. On day 5, I noticed that the raspberries were dying out and going bad in the storage container. The ones in the hefty bag were still good and had juice coming out. On day 7 is when I opened the bag and the raspberries were soggy and were no good anymore. Now here's my graph, and it states that the raspberries lasted 7 days in the hefty storage bag, 5 days in the storage container, and 3 days in its own packaging. The average lifespan of raspberries is 2 days. My conclusion is that raspberries take longer in hefty storage bags. Last longer, sorry. My hypothesis was that the fruit would last longer in the hefty storage bags. Next time, I will try a different fruit as my control and keep the independent variables the same. Thank you.